What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to stake Solana on Phantom Wallet. Of course you want to make sure you have your Phantom Wallet as your browser extension, and of course you log in. Of course once you're on your Phantom account, whether it's a web version, an extension or the mobile version, you can look for your Solana. So you can see some tokens here and Solana is first. Click on Solana. And then you want to scroll down and look for more, which is indicated by the three dots there. Click on it and here you can see stake Sol. So if you click on it, you have two options. You could go with liquid staking, which is recommended, or you could go with the native staking. So once you click on any of these options, of course, you need to make sure that you have some Sol in your Phantom wallet. And once you choose any of these options, you'll be able to see the estimated APY. And here you have 6% and here you have 5.28%. So whichever option you pick, you need to click on it and go through the easy to follow steps to complete your staking. Of course, as we click on it, you can see Sol and you need to make sure you have required amount of stake. And of course, complete by clicking on next and finalize the staking transaction.